She's doing really good. Yeah. I should go ahead and introduce like a moto vlog or something. What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Lucky Moto. My girlfriend's on her bike. Woo! Oh shit. I lost traction there. Yeah, you can smell the rubber. Oh my gosh. Oh hey, she did. She's doing good. So yeah, I don't think I ever actually made a video on this, but yeah, she ended up getting a bike a couple months ago, back in June, I want to say. So she got it back in June and she's just been riding around in these neighborhoods. It's a good way for her to practice. She's actually going to take her MSF course this upcoming week. So she's actually going to be able to go out on the road with us. And she's going to be able to have some fun with us. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And she looks good on that bike. There's a couple little mods we need to do. Get rid of that tail. I think she wants to see about getting some lower bars. Oh my gosh, you need to calm down. Calm down, girl. We're in a neighborhood. I swear, she's going to be the one committing felonies. It's just like you have no idea how exciting it is and terrifying. How exciting and how terrifying it is to have your backpack graduate to rider. Clean this shit. Oh, ow, sick foot out. Oh shit. Where are you going? Dude, I can't wait to get up. I'm gonna set her up with my old GoPro setup, and so that way whenever we do start riding, we can both start. We can actually like do moto vlogs together. I don't know if she's planning on doing any of your own stuff, but I'm gonna use her POV in my videos, make content more entertaining, having multiple perspectives, and just having our ADHD asses going off of each other. Oh, she's doing it! She's doing the wibble wobble! She did the wibble wobble! She's getting really good on the bike, honestly. For how little time she spends, like this is her second day on some actual roads. Originally we would just go to the motor school and we would just practice in a parking lot. This is her first time on some actual roads, and she's doing insane. She's doing really good.
Did you see I downshifted?
Oh, you did?
Yeah, because I accidentally went clicked up to third instead of second, so I downshifted.
Nice! Did you downshift the first here? You did?
Yeah, no problem.
Come on! Go! Ah, you liar!
Well, I went to third, second, third, second.
Oh, she's got a car here. What's she gonna do? There you go. Good job, good job, good job. She's a noob! A noob! In all reality though, she's doing really good. She keeps accidentally hitting her horn. It's hilarious. This really is like the best place for her to practice. But people here are typically pretty chill, as long as you're not too obnoxious, which her bike is, so that's kind of unfortunate. As long as we are just behaving ourselves, not really being too much of hooligans. Oh, she's going. Wait, what are you doing? What is she doing? What?
I went to the wrong road. It was Cincinnati I needed to go down. I went one turn down because I wanted to go down to the park.
Oh, I see.
And then I realized I went down the wrong one. So I just want to communicate that with you because I can't communicate with Cardo.
Mm-hmm.
Like, oops, sorry.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it. I was tempted to, but I've never done a staggered wheelie before, and I don't want my first time to be in the neighborhood, or really on this bike for that matter. Oh. Good save.
What?
Good save.
I'm good.
That was a good save.
I couldn't feel the throttle for a second, so I gave it too much power.
No, that was a really good save. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Hey, you know what? She's doing really good. She's learning from her mistakes. That's a huge chunk of riding right there, is just learning from her mistakes and learning to never do it again.
Where's the park? Okay, cool. I'm gonna go down there.
Okay. Oh wait, what the? Why is she back there like that? Oh, what the fuck? What the dog doing on the roof? What's up?
Something a bug got in my eye.
Oh, that's fun.
I mean, at first I thought we could blink it away, but then it just wasn't getting out, and so I had to like pause to get it off.
Babe, there's a dog on the roof.
Shut the fuck up.
There's a dog on the roof.
Probably had a ramp up it.
But still, the point is there's a dog on the roof.
Sure.
I'm not even shitting you.
Okay.
I'm not even shitting you.
I'm not surprised because I didn't know something.
There is literally a dog on the roof. Where is that dog? Is the dog still up there? No! Dog is gone. No, the dog's gone. What? Aw, dude, the dog is gone. Oh, she got a little close there. Oh, she got it. She learned from her mistake. She did it. She fixed it. What if I just came up and just started eating her rear tire? Oh, she's doing more wibble wobble. Wibble wobble. Wibble wobble. Alright, well, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna head back to the house so that way she can get some, or her and we could go ahead and both get a little warmed up because we're both cold. It is currently, I don't know, cold as tits out, so, but anyways, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on notification bells so you can see next time she rides on her bike. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Players.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get